You are all my limes, and I love you all equally.
Hello, everybody.
Princess Bear here, and we're back at the Caribbean Beach Resort because it's time to revisit Centertown Market.
They have some new options for
new.
us, and so we're gonna just go see how it is.
Let's go wander in the market.
Sure, subscribe.
I heard the girl.
And stay magical. So we have Corona Heavy, not Corona Light. No lime either, just Corona Extra. Like this area, I don't know. Nothing around here is like really extra. I'm just saying it. It's extra. It's a beer. It's mild and delicious. I think it'll pair well with some of my food. I think beer goes well with certain things, burgers, tacos, pizza. It's a 2.5 out of 5 beers. It gets the job done.
I will never ask me the question, will you be my Corona lime? You are all my limes, and I love you all equally. That's not true. I have favorites. I'm not telling you who. I will go so far to say, and I know there will be some arguments about this. Maybe it's because, not because I'm a Floridian. Corona is the perfect beach beer. The perfect beach beer. It's not too heavy. It's a nice, refreshing, crisp flavor. It's not the best beer warm, but if you get a nice chill Corona on the beach, there really are no substitutes for that. Land Shark comes close, but I think Corona has a slight edge. 3.5 out of 5 points.
If you're gonna drink any beer at Disney World, get this low percentage beer that gives you a little taste of Germany, but it really is like the flagship beer of Epcot. Like, if you don't get a Schöfferhofer at least once in your life, do you even Epcot? I don't think so. It's grapefruit. It is like your perfect starter beer. Like, if it's your 21st birthday and you're trying to drink around the world, you better get a Schöfferhofer. That's what this kind of drink is. It's a 4 out of 5 grapefruits. It's just a classic. You gotta appreciate the classics.
Every beer. If you go back through our old videos, and some of you probably should, if you see this turn this way, it probably means I touched the beer. It's a tick. I don't remember why I do it. I think it's because I used to go to a lot of house parties as a rambunctious 21-year-old, and I needed to know which beer was mine. This is my tab position every single time. Just like Schöfferhofer's trying to answer the question that nobody asked, what would happen if adults drink juicy juice? When it comes to fruit and beers, it's a mixed bag for me. Fruit sours, they're okay if I'm in the mood. I don't want anything that leans too far in the juice, but I still want to feel like I'm drinking a beer. That's Schöfferhofer. Is it a bit weaker than most beers you're going to drink? Yes, but it's also taller than most beers you're going to get here at Disney World too. So it balances out. 3.5 out of 5 plus.
I'm gonna try and get a whole bite here with the Beyond sausage and black beans and the rice and the slaw and the salad. This is difficult. Did I get everything? I think I did. Cheers. That is really tasty altogether. The Beyond is cooked really well. The salad has a nice like little taste to it. The slaw is the pickledness of the slaw really like brings everything together too. Love the black beans. The crema is delicious. This is a really good bowl. Almost don't miss the yuca bowl, but I do miss the yuca bowl. I'm gonna give this a 4.5 out of 5 bowls. This is worth it if you're coming here and you're staying at Caribbean. You should come to Centertown Market and eat this bowl. It's good.
Caribbean is always a hotel. It sets the bar for me. It is the bar for me for a resort quick service. It is quick, fast, not ridiculously priced, though it's Disney food, so it is a bit expensive. But they give awesome portions, and they always have at least, most times, 2 plant-based options to choose from. Even the breakfast here is good. If you ask me, personally, which quick service you're gonna go to at a resort, or which resort you should stay at that has the best sort of options for a mixed dietary family, I'm always gonna recommend Caribbean. Always. This bowl is huge. I was not expecting this size bowl. I was some tiny thing. You have this gigantic mound of rice. A good third of this bowl is the black beans. You got nice chopped up black or plant-based sausage. They could have just left the sausage whole, but they chopped it up for ease of forking, which I like. With a nice salad on top as well. That is a hearty fork. If you eat this and you don't feel full, there'll be something wrong with you. You're in Hollywood Studios. You can't find something to eat. Skyline over here, eat this. I haven't tasted it yet. I'm recommending it. The crema, the coconut cilantro crema, really pulls everything together. We've already got all the flavors in there with the cucumber salad and the slaw. Black beans are cooked very well. The rice, perfect. And then the Beyond sausage, which is hard for a lot of places, is perfectly cooked. Not overcooked, not undercooked. It all mixes in very well. It's a nice full dish. They're getting all the bases right. 4 to 5 clubs. In Centertown Market, we trust, or I trust. Either way.
This is the Impossible Korean burger. You can find this at pretty much every moderate resort now. It's got a Korean barbecue slaw, Impossible, and then pickled cucumbers on a bun. It's a burger. It does the thing, the burger thing. If you want a burger, or if you're trying plant-based, this is where you start. Wow. That Korean barbecue sauce is freaking fire. This is really good. There's something in there that gives it like a nice little kick at the end. It's like a 2 out of 10 on the heat scale. It's just a really super slow burn. This is a tasty AF burger. I thought I was gonna miss the Impossible burger that had that beautiful jackfruit on it, but I think this is a really good replacement. I'm gonna give this a 4.5 out of 5 burgers. I walked into this burger expecting it to be trash, and I'm extremely surprised at how good it is. It's a sauce. It's a sauce boss.
I'm not gonna lie. Before I ordered today, before the princess ordered this was gonna be my order. I get in moods where I want a burger, but I don't like the heaviness of beef, especially when I'm gonna walk around the parks. Impossible gives me the burger flavor that I like without feeling like I just doubled my size walking in the park. Doesn't have that meat heavy, I don't know about meat sweats eating Impossible. So I have been very curious to try this Korean Impossible burger. They launched this for Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month. Let's see how they did. The pickled slaw and the cucumbers, perfect. Just the right amount of barbecue sauce. It's not super soggy. The bread maintains its sort of integrity, but just enough where you get a flavor. It doesn't overpower the patty. The patty is seasoned with like a seasoning that matches the pickled cucumbers. Comes off very nice. It's a very good light plant-based burger. While still getting that burger, smoky grilled sort of flavor. I like it. I kind of regret not ordering it. 4.5 out of 5 claws.
Typically, the burger comes with French fries, but they also serve like this salad. It's a tomato cucumber salad that you can get as like a side, and I decided to opt into this instead of getting fries because I wanted to see what it tasted like. So, cheers. It's the same salad they put in the bowl. It's good. It's not Mexican camel good, but it's good. I'll give it a 4 out of 5 salads for theme park salad. This is like one step below tabbouleh, and I like it.
I actually like tomatoes and cucumbers together in a salad. It doesn't seem like much. It's 2 ingredients. I guess there's some pickled onions in here as well. But it goes together. It's like pasta salad without the pasta, which I enjoy. A nice forking here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that forky goodness. Without saying I'm trash. That bright citrus flavor, the way it's dressed. Cucumbers and tomato, very bright. I like it. It's a refreshing salad, not a overly savory salad, which I like. 3.5 out of 5 claws. I would eat a whole bowl of this and then just offer one big size of this. The Caribbean Beach fish tacos. Now, I was going to get the mixed grill platter, which is grilled chicken, ribs, and then a pork sausage, but the barbecue sauce on the ribs has mango in it. And if I ate the mango, I would probably go into shock on camera. Nobody wants that. Most of you don't want that. So fish tacos it is. A little bit of slaw, you got a little cream on top. I try to pull these up from the depths. There you go. A little cream on it, a little carrots in there, slaw. Good decent pieces of fish. They got a nice inside to it. Give me a lot. Like half the taco is fish. And then for those of you with weaker genes, they gave you a little slice of lime. Sprinkle it over top. I like my fish. It tastes like fish. There we go. Big old bite. This is like a nice beachside taco, well-seasoned fish, not dried out. Sauce got a nice crunch to it. The crema is just enough. It's least credence to tacos and beer. This is something I would have with a beer. Normally it does come with fries. I got a salad. But I didn't want something extremely fried today. But these are good tacos. You will have that oceany flavor in your mouth, so the lime gets you right there. But they're good fish tacos. 3.75 out of 5 claws. So from the makers, the popcorn in a box, the salad in a box. I have no idea they put my salad in a box. I'm pretty sure it's because of the algae. And I sealed up and folded it over, but it's greens and tomatoes in a box, undressed. No fries at the bottom either. They have tons of the seasonings and the dressings and everything. This huge thing for this tiny salad. I got Italian. I wanted French. They didn't have any French, so I got Italian. Don't need all this dressing. But here we go. Did I not tear it correctly? Probably not. Oh, it's in the center, that's why. There we go. Now you can see the pour. That's enough. This whole huge thing, I still have like 2/3 of the bag left. Oh. Give that a nice twirl. It's literally just greens No onions. It's just greens and tomato. It's like 2 tomatoes in here. That's it. That's your whole salad. Luckily for them, everything's fresh and crunchy, but as salads go, it's a bit sad. You have other veggies back there. Why is the side salad just tomatoes and lettuce? 2 out of 5 plus. Centertown Market is the center of my heart.
It is one of, if not the best, I think it's like in the top 3 quick service locations that Bear and I will come to for breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
It's an easy recommendation.
You cannot go wrong any time of day at Centertown Market or Spyglass Grill or anything here at Caribbean, including Sebastian's Bistro. Everything here is amazing. Food here is amazing. The music slaps. Even on the holidays, the music slaps. It's all amazing.
But we want to know what you guys think. Let us know in the comments below about why you haven't been to Centertown Market. Inquiring minds, these inquiring minds need to know.
We really need to know.
If there's anywhere else you can see us go, the comments is always the place to find us. Hit the notification bell. You can see other videos like this, and
we have new videos 5 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
And we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe. And if you don't comment, Bear will not yeet himself into the water. So you want to comment for Bear to yeet himself into the water. Do that.
Or they're just going to act like a pirate and steal a boat. But you heard the girl.
That too.